Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replace front overhead map light on Mazda 2, 3, 6, CX-3 and CX-5 in 4 simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So I noticed that the light bulb from the front overhead map light has burned down, the one from the left side. So the one from the right side is turning on, but the one from the left side has burned out. So to remove it, you have to use a trim tool. You can find trim tool removal set like this in the video description below. So we will use a flat head removal tool. So first you just have to press on the rear part and then pry the plastic lens out using a trim tool. So press the rear of the lens and then insert the trim tool into that front part that is closer to the windshield. And then you just have to take it out. This is the lens, the transparent part. Then you have to remove the light bulb from the two springs. You just have to take it on the side, one of the springs, and the light bulb will fall out. So this is the light bulb. This is a 12 volts 8 watts light bulb that you can find it in the video description below. Also we put a LED light bulb to replace it if you want it. So if you want to know the length of this light bulb is 30 millimeters or 3 centimeters in case you want to replace it with the LED bulb. And then install the new light bulb back in its place. You just have to fit it in those two springs and that's it. It's very simple. Let's see, now it's working. Then install the lens back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.